Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to create a Venmo account on your device. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. First of all, make sure that you've already installed Venmo application on your device. After you're done installing your application, next tap on open, and once you open up your Venmo application, this is what the interface is going to look like. You can see in the top right corner there is an option as sign in. Just tap on it. After you tap on it, next you'll be directed to the login interface. Since we don't have an account on Venmo, which means that we don't have a login information as well. First of all, we have to create an account. After you select the sign up method, next you'll have to create a secure password. After you're done creating a password, tap on sign up, which is right at the bottom, and then you'll be signed into your account, and that is how you can create a Venmo account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.